A human just beat a humanoid robot in a competition. But the strange part is, that's not even the most interesting thing that happened here. Because what Figure AI has been doing for the past several days doesn't even feel like a normal technology demo anymore. It feels more like a live science experiment that the internet accidentally walked into. At their headquarters in San Jose, the company has been live streaming something incredibly simple and somehow oddly addictive. Humanoid robots standing beside a conveyor belt, picking up packages, scanning for barcodes, and placing each box face down in a perfectly repeated motion. That's it. No hyped movements, no smart tricks, just non-stop, repetitive warehouse work, and yet millions of people tuned in. For some reason, watching robots do extremely boring work became weirdly entertaining, so much so that viewers started naming them like characters in a show. Bob, Frank, Gary. And once people started paying attention, Figure AI decided to take things to another level. Instead of just showing what the robots can do, they decided to test them against a human. For 10 hours straight, same task, same environment, same pressure, human versus machine. And somehow, it turned into one of the closest races anyone has seen in robotics so far. The challenge: one intern versus a fleet of robots. The human chosen for this challenge wasn't some elite warehouse worker or professional speed sorter. It was an intern named Aimé Girard. He works as a visualization specialist at Figure AI, not someone trained for physical labor like this. But for this experiment, none of that mattered. The rules were simple enough to explain in seconds, but brutal in practice. Both the human and the humanoid system had to repeat one task over and over again. Pick up a package, find the barcode, place it correctly on the conveyor belt. That's it. But here's the thing about tasks like this. They look easy until you do them thousands of times without stopping. At first, Aimé had the upper hand. Humans still have something robots struggle with: flexibility, tiny adjustments, quick judgment, instinctive handling. So for most of the early hours, the human stayed ahead. But the robot wasn't really competing as a single machine. Figure AI was rotating multiple Figure 03 units in shifts, replacing one with another roughly every hour so the system could run continuously without stopping. So while the human needed breaks, the machine never really did. And that difference was about to matter in a very unexpected way, when biology became the weakest link. About 5 hours into the challenge, something small changed the entire rhythm of the race. The human needed a break, just a simple bathroom break, but in a competition like this, even a few minutes matters. While Aimé stepped away, the humanoid system kept going. No pause, no slowdown, no interruption. And for the first time, the robot briefly pulled ahead. It wasn't because it suddenly became faster, it was because it never stopped. And that's when the real contrast of this experiment started to show. Because humans don't just compete with speed, they compete with biology. Over a full shift, you need rest, food, recovery, small pauses just to keep going. And under California labor rules, those breaks aren't optional, they're required. The robot, on the other hand, doesn't operate under any of that. It just continues, hour after hour, package after package. And in that moment, you could see exactly what Figure AI is trying to prove. Not that robots are smarter, not that they are perfect, but that they are relentless. Still, the race wasn't over. Aimé came back, and he started catching up again.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
The finish line, a gap you can barely measure. 10 hours later, everything came down to numbers. After thousands and thousands of repeated motions, the result was almost shockingly close. The human won, but barely. Aimé Girard sorted 12,924 packages. The humanoid system sorted 12,732, a difference of just 192 packages across an entire workday. Now pause for a second and think about that. 10 hours of continuous work, more than 12,000 actions performed. And the difference between human and machine was only 192 repetitions. That's not a gap. That's a margin of error. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. AI averaged 2.79 seconds per package. The robot averaged 2.83 seconds per package. That's a difference of 0.04 seconds, 0.04 of a second. After 10 hours, that number is doing a lot of heavy lifting in this story because it tells you something very important. This isn't about robots catching up in a vague future sense anymore. They are already operating at nearly identical speed under real workload conditions. And that's exactly what makes this moment feel different from earlier robotics demos. But there's another layer to this result that people often miss. Because while the numbers look close, the physical experience was completely different. AI reportedly finished the challenge with blistered fingers and serious fatigue in his forearm. The robot didn't feel anything at all. No exhaustion, no strain, no recovery time needed, just continuous operation. The system that never stops. After the challenge ended, something else happened that made the situation even more striking. The robots didn't stop. In fact, they had already been running for days as part of the larger livestream experiment. At one point, the system had surpassed 116 hours of continuous operation. That's almost 5 straight days of nonstop work. And during that time, the robots had sorted well over 145,000 packages. The setup itself is important here. One robot works, others stay on charging stations. When one needs power, another takes over. No human steps in to reset the system. No pause button for fatigue. It's designed like a relay system that never ends. And that's really the bigger idea behind all of this. Figure AI isn't just testing speed, it's testing endurance. Because in real warehouse environments, the biggest challenge isn't just doing a task once. It's doing it thousands of times without breaking, slowing down, or needing intervention. That's what potential customers care about. Not a perfect demo, but a system that doesn't collapse under real-world repetition. Still, even with all that progress, experts are cautious.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
Roboticist Ayana Howard has pointed out that the system still isn't ready for real deployment. Errors still happen. Packages can be misaligned, boxes can fall off the belt, and in logistics, even small mistakes can scale into big operational problems. So while the progress is impressive, it's not final, not yet. The bigger question. No one can ignore anymore. For years, humanoid robots have mostly lived in short clips. A robot walking, a robot picking something up, a robot doing a single impressive action, then the video ends. But Figure AI changed the format. They left the cameras running for days. Then they added pressure. Then they added a human. And what came out of it wasn't a dramatic win for either side. It was something more uncomfortable than that. A near tie. The humans still won this time, but only barely. And that's what makes this moment important. Because when the difference between human labor and machine labor becomes just 0.04 seconds per action over a full shift, the conversation stops being about if and starts becoming about when. When does endurance stop favoring humans? When does consistency become more valuable than flexibility? And when does almost equal become good enough for real deployment? Figure AI seems to believe that answer is coming sooner than most people think. Whether they're right or not, that's the part the world is about to find out.